In this station, you are writing the equation of a line. Now remember, the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, where this m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now we have a formula for slope. The formula is this: y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to use that formula to find this slope. That's what we're going to do first, right? Because we need two pieces of information. We need the slope and the y-intercept. We're going to start with the slope. So my first point is this point right here. It's x1, y1. And then the second point is x2 and y2. So first I'm going to find the slope. y2 is negative 10 minus y1 is 5 over x2 is 1 minus x1 is negative 4. Notice, right, this first minus sign comes from here, and the second minus sign is attached to the 4. Now I'm going to do the math. Negative 10 minus 5, that's 10 negatives, 5 more negatives, that's negative 15. This becomes 1, right? This turns into a plus, and that becomes 5. Then this is division. Negative 15 divided by 5. Negative divided by positive is negative. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So my slope is negative 3. I already have that information. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this same equation, this y equals mx plus b, and I am going to plug in information that I know to find b. B is my unknown information right now, but the information I do have is I have an m, right? This is my slope, and I have two options for x and y. So I'm going to plug in my m and one of these options for my x and y. Now look, it doesn't matter which option I choose, but I can't choose like this x and this y. I have to choose one point, x and y. So I'm going to just choose this one. So look, I'm plugging in y equals mx plus b. Y, I'm going to plug in 5, my y, equals m, negative 3, x, negative 4, and then plus b. Now, b is my own unknown. I'm trying to solve for b. So first I'm going to multiply. Negative 3 times negative 4. Negative times negative is positive. Okay, and then I'm going to say, okay, I want b by itself, so I'm going to subtract 12. And I get negative 7 equals b. So that's my answer, negative 7. Okay. Now, what I want you to be aware of is that you can also check your answer. So, for example, here, I could take this other point and check it and say, okay, well, if y is negative 10 and m is 3 and x is 1 and b is negative 7, does that work out? And I say, oh, well, this is negative 3 times 1. That's negative 3 minus 7. Does that equal negative 10? Yes, it does. So this was just me checking my answer.